So, hello everyone, this is a very unimportant video. So, I actually recorded this one time before and then I had to redo it because something strange happened. But anyways, I had to compensate a little bit today. So, I'm using a laptop here and here's the deal. It only has 3 USB ports. So, the problem was that I couldn't, like, if I was going to record a YouTube video and record myself using the web camera on the laptop, I had to like rotate the laptop because right now it's facing that way and I have a screen in front of me. So it was kind of annoying to have to do that every time. So the problem was that um, sorry, I lost the track in my head. But the problem was that I had an extra webcam laying that I found in a box that I was going to put on my screen so that I could record myself. And then the problem was that I only had 3 USB ports, so I couldn't have the microphone, the mouse, and the keyboard and the camera and that kind of stuff plugged in together at the same time because I was lacking USB ports. So what I did today was that I went to the store and I got a USB hub, so that I got like a USB dongle thing with 4 extra USB ports. So now I'm actually using the camera that I found in a box. Now the problem is that I have to compensate a little bit, so I had to pay with camera quality. Okay, so now I don't have to rotate the computer anymore. But the camera quality is a little bit worse than before because the camera on the laptop is actually better than this one. This one kind of sucks, in all honesty. So, but yeah, sometimes you have to compensate. Okay, so to make this video a little bit more interesting, I'm gonna show you some things that I some things that got me mildly annoyed this morning when I was programming. So let's get into that. So I was working on the game engine and I noticed some memory leaks that I'm not able to resolve because they are not caused by me, obviously. So what I was doing, I ran Valgrind on the graphical. So I have, the separate program, which is the graphical user interface. Well, I ran Valgrind on that binary. So I'm basically just outputting the Valgrind output into a file. I'm piping it into that file. So there we go, and then we cancel, we terminate the application. And now if we look in the output of Valgrind, we can see that we have memory leaks where I run glf vcreate window, and if you don't know, that is it's a third-party library basically, so it's nothing I can do about it. So let me show you where that is. Okay, so if I go into window.c, you can see here on row 22, I'm calling glf vcreate window. That's what I say in the documentation that you should do. So I don't know what's going on here, but invalid write of size 4, address blah 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 is not stacked or mallocked or recently freed. So yeah, that got me pretty annoyed. We have some memory leaks that I have caused as well. So basically, when I terminate the program, we're losing 432 bytes. Okay, it may not sound very bad, but like, I like to be very autistic about these things. When I terminate the program, there shall be no lost bytes. Okay, I don't like that. Now this doesn't matter very much because we're not leaking any memory inside a loop or anything, so the game will not crash. The application will not crash, but yeah, we're losing bytes when we actually terminating the application. And then we have some other annoying stuff. Actually, let me tell you why I have a fix for this. Actually, I know where these bytes are leaking. So it's in the scene manager.c. We have the I have commented out some code here, but this is basically the fix for it. If I uncomment this, we're not leaking any memory anymore. So, but for some reason, this also causes segmentation fault once the program has actually been terminated completely. So, yeah, that is a compensation that I'm not gonna make though, because I don't know. I think it's better with memory leaks over having a segmentation fault. But anyways, I'm going to fix this because this is not very pretty. Then we have some other memory leaks that are not caused by me. So like here in draw text in draw utils C365, draw utils.c365. We're leaking memory here as well. So I've actually seen issues on like I've heard from other people that they're having those problems as well. So I don't know. I actually saw an issue about it on the GLF. No, what's it called? I saw an issue about the window create function leaking memory on GitHub on the GLF repository. And I saw somewhere else someone had reported this. This is not a part of GLF but I saw it somewhere else that people reported that this leaked memory or something. I don't know. It seems that it only leaks memory one time though, because like this function is being called in a loop, but it's only leaking one time. I don't know how it works, but yeah, I'm gonna have to look into that. But yeah, so these are things that I was a bit troubled about this morning. So yeah, but anyways, yeah, this video is just me testing the new web camera basically. I don't know, it's a very unimportant video. So if you watched it till the end, I would say that you have wasted a couple minutes of your life basically. But yeah, so I just wanted to try my new camera, I found in a box. It's probably like, I don't know, 4 years old or something. But yeah, so anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.